1, 2, 3.
Living with a little less, being thankful for whatever's left, taught me how to get by. Losing a first love to my best friend, wishing the best for them, taught me.
I was feeling, this is the one, man.
The next one.
The next
I grew up in the booming metropolis of Huffman, Texas, which is about a half hour northeast of Houston. And I got into songwriting. My dad was a songwriter and spent a good part of his adult life touring the country and writing songs and making records. And so we kind of grew up with family bands and that kind of thing.
Something like that. Coming back into the outro, do you want it to stay up? Do you want it to come down and then come back up? Or
I like simmering a little on the outro, like
the very end.
the very end.
Take it
Yeah.
to
back and forth.
I was thinking that
I'll come back to the high.
we could maybe sort of basically drop out and tell them taught me to love. We kind of come back in sort of quiet,
Yeah.
just for the last.
That's cool.
part.
Yeah, it could, especially on a big part.
Yeah, it's comes real big and then it comes all the way down to.
So you guys all like you played together, like
I was a little younger than everybody else. My older brothers played drums and bass for my dad when he was like playing
Okay.
festivals and stuff.
Yeah.
As like my brother, 5 years old, holding a bass,
that's awesome.
playing Mustang Sally.
Nice.
But yeah, once I got into it when I was like in high school, 17, 18 years old. My brother was playing guitar for a guy named Pat Green.
Okay.
And they were putting like 3,000 people in a venue, and it was
Yeah.
like rock stardom. So
Yeah.
I was like, I'm doing that.
Also, it could pop more if we push the second one or the third one.
Like save it.
Yeah, because that vocal thing will hit, and then everybody there's a lot of energy.
Yeah.
Let's try it again from the second chorus, like we did it originally, and then kind of give more energy on that last chorus.
Yeah. So where are you thinking? Where are we all thinking? I guess about building to that last chorus to get to there.
So.
Telling them that I've been taught me.
Yeah. So stop there.
Let's stop.
Oh, it stopped.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Taught me.
Yeah.
Going real big right there.
So we gotta nail our vocal part. Ain't gonna be nothing for us to hide behind.
Nail it.
Just saying.
Catch the phrase.
When I was like in college, I started writing songs, and I kind of dug into like the troubadour kind of stuff,
Yeah.
like the Guy Clarks, the Rodney Crowells, and
Okay.
Jeff Walkers, and
Yeah.
that was kind of my jam.
Yeah. Great stuff.
Yeah.
No,
It's almost like
I
the
like
front
it,
half
yeah, I
of
like it a lot
it
right
is
there.
the swinging part, and then the second half is the bump, bump, bump,
Yeah.
bump. Just like,
for example, the chorus would be.
yeah, the parts that we were doing on the.
Dude, this guitar.
Always felt wrong.
Yeah.
So there was.
Yeah. Let's run this thing whole.
Weird construction. Red big ball.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then how did you make it to Nashville? Like what was that process?
I was on the fence. I'd been in Texas. I put out a single or 2 singles in Texas, and they did fairly well. And I was playing a lot of shows, And I just felt like it was a mismatch in that world for the time I was down there. And I talked to this songwriter up here named Alan Shamblin, who's a great friend of mine, and he broke it down to me in a way that didn't seem like you were selling out or doing anything weird by coming here. It was like all of my heroes were living or had spent time here, and so it made more sense to be here.
Well, we're glad you did.
Yeah, thank you.
Glad you're down here. And
Me too.
It's been great. I mean, we love working with you, and your writing is just very poignant. Just
thanks.
Just really like kind of hits home. So.
Well, thank you. This has been fun.
Yeah.
I'm glad we got together.
I think that's what's
You taught me
what? There's some speaking in your face.